Now, this is a characteristic of, it's integrated extension. I mean, so I'm not going to get into details, okay? Uh, so this is basically say, you know what I'm saying here? I say, and I don't care what's your preferred approach of psychotherapy. Eventually, it comes down to meaning. Really, meaning therapy incorporates everything here. You really can't get away from meaning. I don't care whether it's psychoanalysis or what. Really, I don't care. It all boils down to meaning and relationship. Anybody challenge me on that? What? Anybody challenge me on that? The beauty about meaning therapy is intrinsically, genuinely integrative. It's not like, back a trick. I use this trick. But here is, meaning is this organizing construct. And it involves all the different approaches. Okay, and when you know more about that, you understand why it's so. Okay, so for the time being, you have to trust me. Okay, and I said this is the best. Okay, and next. Now, this is a summary statement. Traditional therapy is always trying to identify some problem you have, some deficits, right? It's psychopathology orientation. Try to fix your problem. Even solution-focused therapy is solution to a problem, right? Am I right? It's solution to a problem. There's always focus on problem. And then come along my friend, I don't know if he considered me his friend, then come along Martin Seligman. So, the job of psychotherapy is to make your client happy. You don't believe me? You see the advertising about his psychotherapy tape. How to make your clients happy. He didn't agree. I don't agree either. Okay? Impossible. Okay? Warren says impossible. Okay? So, my job is to make my client happy? No. Sometimes you make a client cry. Sometimes you make a client angry. All for the purpose of getting him better, right? Like my dentist drill me, make me pain. My surgeon cut me up. They don't make me happy. They make me healthy. Right? Got a point? So what we have to do is to do both. We are focusing on meeting, my friend here, what's your name?
Derwin.
Huh?
Derwin Foster.
Foster, Dewey Foster. Okay. Foster, okay, easy to call, okay? Foster talk about hierarchy of needs, right?
Yeah.
So I'm talking about, meet all your needs. That will make you happy and healthy. Right? Now with that, most of your problems, psychological problems, occur because your fundamental needs were deprived. Your friend say he likes isolation. If I lock him up in an isolation room in my mind, he will go crazy. If I deprive totally of relationship, he will go crazy. If I deprive you of the basic needs for life, not physical need. Physical need, you die, okay? But other psychological need, you die spiritually, you die psychologically. So mean therapy is that meeting people's basic needs. And I don't care what the problem is, okay? They'll reflect some deprivation of needs. What is relationship, or meaning, or hope, or love, or whatever, or security. If I'm able to find a way to meet your basic needs, you get better. And you feel better. Okay? And a question about this one. And a challenge? Oh, you first.
Just a question, actually. So when you say building the good life, what's
We'll come back later. Thank you. Okay. The good life is more than just happy life. Good life, good is an evaluative term. How many parents want their children to be happy children? How many? You're going to have a spoiled kid. A spoiled, rotten kid. Oh, I want my kid to be happy. How many want my kids to be good kids? Good children. To grow up to be good citizens. Good people. Live good lives. Contribute to humanity. You know, oh, happy, I want to be happy. I want the latest game. I want the best fashion. Right? So good life is more than happy life. You see that?
Yeah, no, I was just curious
Yeah.
how you're...
Yeah, that's how I tell me. Good life is good, something that is worthwhile. That's something worth living. Something that's good for you and for your loved ones and for humanity. Good all around.
You mean good as in virtuous?
And virtue, yes, thank you. Menace, the menace. That's how I remember names. So I'm losing my memory, so a happy hand or something, right? Okay. Next slide. Okay, here you are. I know. Oh, my friend loved that. Fourth loved that. Now, look at this list. Look at this list, okay? The first layer is physiological, right? The basic biological needs. All the rest are what? Psychological, right? This psychological needs, in many ways, are more important than just physical needs. Do you want to be well fed, well taken care of, to be born in a golden cage? Well fed. Or do you want freedom? Fly. You will run the risk of flying through storm, of getting shot at. But you still enjoy flying, spreading your wing, soaring to the sky, under the sunshine or the rain. Right? So there's psychological needs are much more important for mental health. Now, you're a mental health expert, right? Anyway, those needs have to be met, right?
Can I challenge you?
Go ahead.
How about someone who's homeless
Huh?
and doesn't have a home and doesn't have food? How would you respond to that within that context?
Okay. Good question. Let me ask the question. Why do they become homeless in the first place? Do you know many of the homeless rejected the world of comfort, ran away from their parents, take to the street because they find that the family does not meet their needs. They hope they can find a better life in the street. So homelessness is more than just physical need. They need community. They need love. They need meaning. They need some significance. They need a meaningful work. What drives them hopeless is not physical need, it's psychological need. That's it. Okay, next.
Well done.
You can challenge me afterwards, okay? Now, honestly, you work with homeless. You give them food, give them water, give them shelter. It's not going to solve the problem. Their needs are psychological, spiritual. Okay? Take it from the old man, okay? Come on. Next one.
I didn't say that.
Oh, no. Oh, I'm teasing you, okay? Come, next slide. Next, come. What's it?